Do you want to know what One Life in Greece is all about? We have a used condom stuck in our back of the tires. Gross. There's plenty of trash bins in Greece, but Greek people are not that environmentally cautious. There are sometimes places where there's plenty of litter, but this place is super clean. Behind us is the Mount Olympus, the highest point of whole Greece, and this is really beautiful valley. It's kind of nippy weather, so sun is not really shining that well, and the place where we are camping at the moment is next to the road, but the road is kind of tiny and people do not drive it, so I think this is a good place to spend the night.
Yeah, and the religious countries in southern part of Europe, they like to have sex in their car. It's something forbidden to do it in home, I think, and especially in countries where young people live with their parents for long periods of time.
Yeah.
It's more common. So everyone comes to in forests and beautiful places like this.
And we come from the country where usually just teenagers have sex in a car, so it's kind of weird. But yeah, beautiful, gorgeous place.
A couple of hours now is Pulla's appreciation time because Pulla wants just to wander on our camp, so we're gonna go little walk. Slow walk with Pulla, so he can just sniff around and enjoy. He's basically standing still when we are standing still, doing nothing. And when we go walk, he wants to walk really slowly and
just smell the air and enjoy the sun.
This is Pulla's appreciation hour.
Now that we have still some daylight left, we will go walk with our pup and appreciate the whole day with Pulla. The riverbed is completely dried out and we kind of wanted to go swim there. It's so heartbreaking to see, it's so dry.
And all the surroundings actually changed a lot compared to northern part of Greece, because here's pine trees and much more like a drier place, and also it looks totally different. This is like more like Spain with just white rocks.
Yeah, exactly. So Greece can be kind of versatile. It's not just beaches after beaches after beaches.
This is first night, long time since we haven't been on a beach, so this is different.
Totally exotic to us. And here's a nice loop. Should we maybe change our camp here?
Whoa.
Like planes, look. Like more privacy maybe.
Yeah, I think this is more like our place. It has ash washing stations and also really nice open area here, so I think we're gonna drive our van here. Much nicer. It's always looking for a nicer place to camp. It's the most important part. And really clear water on that river. Really nice. We love it. We love it always in the nature. And we will change the spots a bit. Our way of camping. Now when we have set up the camp, we can enjoy and relax. I'm gonna make one drink for us. Piña colada. It's the first time that I ever try piña colada, so it will be interesting.
We are not really a drink persons. We only like a gin and tonic, but sometimes you have to surprise yourself and test new things.
Yeah, coconut cream, ananas, pineapple juice, and white rum.
And of course, these ice cubes made with our LPG fridge.
Same amount of coconut cream.
It's really thick.
But we use these also in making food, Asian food, so it's not wasted. Rum.
We don't measure anything. We like to live like that. Say when.
When? Again, we don't have blender, so it's all by hand. Everything is approximately mixed up.
Does it taste like a Caribbean?
Yeah.
Like a coconut fun time.
Coconut fun time.
This tastes like ice cream.
I think more pineapple.
Yeah. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah. We are so restless. We did change our spot once again. It started raining a lot, so we drove a little upper levels of this plain area. And now in the creek area there's a water, more water, but I think we are pretty safe here. This one big pup came to our camp and he has been hanging here. Something has happened to his eye.
Yeah, and he came, or she came last night, middle of the night, and seeing like that big dog around your van when you go outside, it was...
We thought he was like bear or wolf or something.
But luckily he was just a
Yeah.
happy dog.
I don't know if it's happy, but oh, he's so sweet. And somebody has mutilated his ears, like butchered them kind of harshly. And it's not Dirty Vet that has done it, because they have done some pretty ugly job. So this is kind of unfortunately sad and common things to see in Greece. People do not really take that good care of the animals. Greece has a pretty strict animal welfare laws. There is quite a hefty fines and even jail time for neglecting an animal, so there is always hope.
Roads in Greece generally, they are quite good roads, but during the winter time they don't shut down roads that they don't mind maintenance. You can find yourself with the boulders in the middle of the road or collapsed part like that. So it might be anything. So we have learned always during the winter time, when you go the roads, you have to always be ready to turn around, because yeah, there might be anything randomly coming up to you. Our van is on that valley over there behind those trees, and we're gonna walk up a little bit. Now that water starts to be refreshing, that is actually melting snow from the Olympus mountain, but during the daytime it's quite warm, so the snow will melt. I think something around like +3 or 4 degrees. But yeah, good walk to the mountain and a little bit of swimming in the same time. Really beautiful place. This course continues and continues, and this is really technical part if you want to go up from here. But there was some pictures, people climbing on this course. Yeah, you need canyoning gear and everything, but it would be nice. But beautiful spot just beside our van, and seems like this is quite popular among the locals to come swim during the summer months. And I think this continues on the downstream. Really beautiful. I think this is the best place to be during the summer months when, yeah, this is all shaded. There's no sun coming down here. And just lying on these rocks and going swimming there. Beautiful.
There's several good things about the natural parks in Greece. You can bring your dog here. You can swim in the natural ponds and rivers and waters, unlike in Spain. And in natural parks in France, you cannot bring your pet here. So it's more liberating and free to be here, connect with your nature. Yeah, I like it a lot.
Finally, it's cold enough that we can use our wood stove. Yeah. Usually when it's around +5 we start using it at the evening times. Yeah. Really nice, cozy. Warmth, and also we don't have to use the LPG. And we have still some wood left from Finland. So some of them I think is collected I think Poland. Some of them. So we gather food while we travel. Small amounts from different places. So when we start up the fire, we have the whole locker full of firewood, and it can last for 2 evenings, the whole locker. Yeah, and when we go to sleep, the fire dies down on some point, and then our LPG heater will kick in. So this is to get the right mood in the winter time, and also save some money because we don't have to buy LPG. This is free fuel for us. You hear it roar. Yeah, we don't have any problems with suction. Everything goes out and it burns really cleanly. But it smokes. All fire smokes. So outside. And when we have neighbors, we usually don't burn it. Because yeah, being beside the chimney is not that pleasant.